Obsidian is an igneous rock that forms when molten rock material cools so rapidly that atoms are unable to arrange themselves into a crystalline structure. The result is a volcanic glass with a smooth, uniform texture that breaks with a conchoidal fracture. Obsidian is usually an extrusive rock, one that solidifies above Earth's surface. However, it can form in a variety of cooling environments. Along the edges of a lava flow, along the edges of a volcanic dome, around the edges of a sill or a dike, where lava contacts water, where lava cools on the air. Black is the most common color of obsidian. However, it can also be brown, tan, or green. Rarely, obsidian can be blue, red, orange, or yellow. The colors are thought to be caused mainly by trace elements or inclusions. Obsidian is found in many locations worldwide. It is confined to areas of geologically recent volcanic activity. Obsidian older than a few million years is rare because the glassy rock is rapidly destroyed or altered by weathering, heat, or other processes. In the United States, it is not found east of the Mississippi River, as there is no geologically recent volcanic activity there. In the western U.S., it is found at many locations in Arizona, California, Idaho, Nevada, New Mexico, Oregon, Washington, and Wyoming. Most obsidian used in the jewelry trade is produced in the United States. The first use of obsidian by people probably occurred when a sharp piece of obsidian was used as a cutting tool. People then discovered how to skillfully break the obsidian to produce cutting tools in a variety of shapes. Obsidian was used to make knives, arrowheads, spear points, scrapers, and many other weapons and tools. Although using a rock as a cutting tool might sound like Stone Age equipment, obsidian continues to play an important role in modern surgery, as the performance of obsidian blades is equal to or superior to the performance of surgical steel. Marble is a metamorphic rock that forms when limestone is subjected to the heat and pressure of metamorphism. It is composed primarily of the mineral calcite and usually contains other minerals, such as clay minerals, micas, quartz, pyrite, iron oxides, and graphite. Under the conditions of metamorphism, the calcite in the limestone recrystallizes to form a rock that is a mass of interlocking calcite crystals. Marble occurs in large deposits that can be hundreds of feet thick and geographically extensive. This allows it to be economically mined on a large scale, with some mines and quarries producing millions of tons per year. Marble is usually a light-colored rock. When it is formed from limestone with very few impurities, it will be white in color. Marble that contains impurities, such as clay minerals or iron oxides, can be bluish, gray, pink, yellow, or black in color. Being composed of calcite, marble has a hardness of 3 on the Mohs hardness scale. As a result, marble is easy to carve, and that makes it useful for producing sculptures and ornamental objects. Marble was used in the construction of several iconic monuments, such as Taj Mahal in Agra, India. Shale is a fine-grained sedimentary rock that forms from the compaction of silt and clay-sized mineral particles that we commonly call mud. This composition places shale in a category of sedimentary rocks known as mudstones. Shale is distinguished from other mudstones because it is fissile and laminated. Laminated means that the rock is made up of many thin layers. Fissile means that the rock readily splits into thin pieces along the laminations. Some shales have special properties that make them important resources. Black shales contain organic material that sometimes breaks down to form natural gas or oil. Other shales can be crushed and mixed with water to produce clays that can be made into a variety of useful objects. Like most rocks, the color of shale is often determined by the presence of specific materials in minor amounts. Just a few percent of organic materials or iron can significantly alter the color of a rock. Most often, shale occurs in a variety of black, gray, red, brown, and yellow colors. Green shales are found occasionally. This should not be surprising because some of the clay minerals and micas that make up much of the volume of these rocks are typically a greenish color. Cement is a common material that is often made with shale. To make cement, crushed limestone and shale are heated to a temperature that is high enough to evaporate all of water and break down the limestone into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide.